If you're trying to launch a Shopify store, but you have no web design experience, no product research skills, or honestly just don't know where to start, this is actually going to blow your mind because today we're using artificial intelligence to build a complete Shopify store in just one click. This is really perfect for global dropshippers, total beginners, or even experienced sellers who want to launch niche stores fast. So whether you're starting from scratch or importing products from your favorite supplier, this tool does everything from theme selection to product descriptions to professional product photos, all with AI. So the app we're using is called Atlas AI Store Builder. So basically, here's what makes it so powerful. Of course, the one-click AI store generation. So you're going to paste a single product link from AliExpress, Amazon, and a couple other options that you'll have. And it's actually going to generate a full store with homepage, product page, pricing, reviews, and branding too. Second, you'll have the built-in AI photo enhancer, so it'll turn basic supplier images into very polished, brand-ready product shots. There's also customizable store design in theme colors, built-in reviews and FAQs, and even a bundle and discount builder, which is available only on their higher plans. So why does this actually help your store with sales? First of all, a faster store launch equals a faster time to market, right? Clean and persuasive product pages convert better, and adding bundles and upsells always boosts AOV, or average order value. And of course, those polished photos build trust and improve ad performance as well. All right, so of course, the first thing we're going to need to do here is create a Shopify account. So I'm on Shopify.com, and you're just going to click this Start for Free button. Go ahead and just follow all of the steps to sign up. It takes about 5 minutes. And I do want to mention also that Shopify offers this 3-day free trial, and after that, plans start at $40 a month for the basic plan. So go ahead and just make your Shopify account, and when you get to your dashboard, it should look something like this here. All right, so the first thing we're going to do here is install the app into our Shopify. So head up to this top search bar up here, go ahead and just click on Apps, and we're going to search Atlas AI. All right, you're looking for this purple, blue, white icon here. Go ahead and click this. Okay, so now it's going to take you into Shopify's App Store. We're on the app's installation page, and here you'll be able to see a bunch of key features like the ones I just mentioned. Of course, you'll be able to see their pricing, and their basic plan starts at $29 a month there, and you'll also see some reviews too. So go ahead and click Install. And you'll get this little pop-up here. This is actually just a permissions page. So it's going to show you that everything Atlas will have access to inside of your Shopify store. So I do recommend reading through these things and making sure you're okay with it. But if it looks all right, just click on Install again. All right, so we're loading into the dashboard here. I'm actually going to pin this to my navigation so the app stays right there for me. All right, so now we're in the setup process. We're going to generate our store. Click Next. All right, so now it's going to ask us the language of our store, and you can see we have 4 different options to choose from in terms of where we want to source our products. So we have Shopify, Amazon, AliExpress, and Alibaba. Now I'm just going to stick with AliExpress for this video, and if you already have products in your store, and if you're already using Shopify, maybe you just want to make a new Shopify store with the products you already have, you can actually do that by just clicking that Shopify button, and here's all of the products that are already on my store. And you can just select certain ones. So with this, you can actually just take something from your website. And unfortunately, you can only use one product for the AI store builder. But anyway, I'm going to go back here, and we're going to go to AliExpress to find a product link to represent our store. So let's go to AliExpress. All right, so now we're on AliExpress.com, and we're going to find a product. We want a product with good reviews, a solid profit margin, one with high quality images, and clear shipping times as well. So let's say, for example, that I am making a store in the pet niche. So let's just go up here and see what we can find. All right, pet supplies. And I'm in AliExpress's top sellers here. We're just going to find something that, like I said, has a good solid profit margin and good reviews here as well. And lots of orders too. So let's see here. All right. Dog poop bags. I mean, it is really good. Okay. Well, let's see if I can find another one that's not dog poop bags. Okay, so I found this product here. Lots of reviews, almost 5 stars, over 1,000 sold. Looks like we get a little discount here as well. So I'm going to use this product. So I'm just going to copy this URL up here. All right, and we're gonna go back to our atlas and we'll paste the product link right here, okay? Just make sure you copy the full product URL so that it works. All right, we'll click proceed here. All right, so this next step here, it's going to ask us to choose which images we want to add for this product for our store. I'm just going to keep these 4, and you can also add any or upload images here if you'd like to. I'm going to click continue. All right, and then now it's going to ask us for our store colors. For example, I'm just going to go with one of the ones that they already have here, and you can actually see the preview right next to it. This is really, really cool. And then if you'd like to, if you have some custom colors that you want to put in, you can do that here too. So here in this preview, you can see everything. Let me scroll down here a little bit. So I just want to scroll down this preview with you so you can actually see how much they put here. So of course, built-in reviews. They also have compare ad pricing, which I absolutely love. They have this arrive by message, which is super awesome. Description, FAQs, processing and shipping information. Of course, more reviews like right there. Scrolling down here, one of the coolest things I love that it puts here are all of these. And then you can see down here, they put this why we stand out section, which is not, I mean, I've never seen an AI builder like this one. This is really, really awesome. So, and then of course down here, you'll get more reviews too. So all of this really gives your store like a handmade, trustworthy look, which is what actually converts customers, right? Now, when you're set with your colors, go ahead and click this product page here. Now here is where you're going to put your store name. So of course, this can be anything that you want to. You can put in the product title, the price, as well as like the tagline. And then these product icons, hold on, I'll try to find them for you here. So you can see here in this icon, you can actually even edit these little buttons here. So literally everything that you see on this product page, you're able to change. Again, same thing here. Most common questions drop down. You can change these if you'd like. So really any type of customization, you can do that from this section here. So of course, in the FAQ section, you're able to change any of the FAQs. These are also totally editable. And honestly, the defaults are pretty solid, but I'd still review them and look through them, of course. Now on our homepage, you'll have kind of the same thing here where you're able to change the headline, the subheading, and note as well, like all of that kind of thing. But for now, I'm just going to click continue. Now, when we click continue, in order to import this into our store, we do have to choose a plan for this. So I'm going to start my 5-day free trial of their basic plan. Now you'll just want to click approve. All right, so now once our store is actually published, we can edit it here or we can re-import our theme. So now in our online store here, we're going to see that the Atlas theme is ready to go. So of course we can just click publish from here, but we're actually going to click customize. So when we click that, it's going to bring you into the new website here. Now, if the site looks a bit broken, don't worry. It's because we just haven't activated the app yet. So we're going to go to app embeds here, and we're going to turn on both of these apps. All right, and all you got to do is just click save there. And then, of course, now we can go in and actually customize each individual page of our website. Okay, so if we'd like to, we can change the image banner here. You'll be able to upload files here or actually just AI generate an image. So let's actually go up top here and we're going to go to our product pages. So just as an example, here is a product here that is loaded with the new theme that we just made. So if you want to, you can actually just scroll down here, for example, and you can actually edit some reviews. So if you want to, you'll put in a random name, Jane Doe, let's say, and she lives in Los Angeles. And let's give her a picture here too, hopefully I have. And I'm actually just using this generate image option just for fun. I put in the word human. I want to see if there is actually something that'll come up that we can use for our review. Okay, well, for some reason it gave me a very magical image of what looks to be like a ferret. So I'm not going to keep that, obviously. And actually you can put in some review text. So if we just put here, Okay, so you can see I just changed that here. You can obviously change it to whatever you want, but really the fact that you can kind of just edit any section, delete any blocks that you want to, you can customize any of these headlines to, and even just having this featured review here, I mean, obviously just having a customer name and a city, like this really builds trust through that social proof, right? So of course, anything that you do here, just go ahead and click save up in the top right. But for now, let's actually go back into the Atlas app and see what else we can do here. So I'm just going to leave this page. All right, the next thing we're going to do here is actually go into this tab labeled AI Product Photos. So go ahead and click this here. All right, and you can see all of these little examples that they have, but let's just click Start Create Now. All right, so it's going to give you some requirements here. So all you have to do is basically upload 5 to 8 high quality images with different angles and consistent lighting. So basically this training speed here is for how long you give the AI to learn and understand the images that you give it. So obviously it is strongly recommended to use this 3+ hours. And obviously for this video, I'm going to be using the 30+ minutes. So just for higher quality, you'll want the longer training time for your AI. You're also going to give it some prompts, and we'll do that soon here. All right, let's get into train your AI model. So first we're going to give our model a name. All right, and we're going to select those photos from the Shopify product from earlier. All right, and of course you can also add your own images. So if you are not dropshipping, maybe you have images that you'd like to use here, you can do that as well. Again, here's where you're going to pick that training speed, and I'm going to say start training your AI model. Now, unfortunately, this is not included in the basic plan, but it is pretty easy. It's self-explanatory, and when the training is done, you're going to click the action button to open the prompt editor. And there you can actually write your own prompt or use an AI suggested prompt, which they actually recommend. And then you'll click generate now, and it's going to give you all of these AI photos. You just select the ones you like and hit save selected images. Once you have those photos that are created, then you can come to your products page. Okay, you're going to click on the product that you made some new images for. You'll scroll to media and just hit this plus icon, and you'll see in here your new AI images. Those photos, they're just better quality than the ones that you usually see suppliers use on maybe AliExpress. So we took our product initially from AliExpress. Of course, like Alibaba and other Shopifys are an option to source from. Like we saw earlier, of course, you can source these products, of course, from Alibaba, AliExpress, all of that kind of thing. But generally, this AI photo option, or this AI photo feature, really helps to increase trust, ad performance, and conversions, because people shop with their eyes, right? And if you have higher quality media, higher quality photos, of course, that's going to help with your conversion rates. All right, so in this little product pages section here, you'll see that this is actually a way that you can generate a product page for any existing Atlas theme you have. So maybe you created multiple Atlas themes, but if you just want to do this, you can just click generate product page, and you can pick, of course, the same options you'll have: Amazon, Shopify, Alibaba, or AliExpress. You just put that link in there and it'll create a whole entire product page for that. Now they do offer product bundles as well as cart upsells. Okay, now I won't be able to show you either of these options because neither of them are included in their cheaper plan, but Atlas does offer a bundling feature to help you increase AOV, or average order value. Here you can actually create percentage-based discounts, fixed dollar discounts, get X, get Y offers, bundle deals with specific prices, all of that kind of thing. And like I said, even though it's not on the free plan, bundles are super powerful because they increase cart size, they encourage multi-product purchases, and also help with repeat customers and brand perception. So again, I'm not able to necessarily show you these cart upsells here, but just to walk you through it a little bit, it looks like here you're able to do some customizations here, as well as the general title, checkout button text, all of this kind of thing here. Of course, put your brand colors here at the bottom, all of that stuff. So going down the list here, we've already checked into AI product photos. If you click your store, it's going to show you all of the stores and product pages that you've made on Atlas AI. And if you go into subscription, you'll see your plan that you're on as well. And their support tab is also down here. In case you get stuck, you can just chat with their support team right here, or click that little button that you saw down here. or you can actually email them if you want to talk to a real human. All right, so that is how you build a full Shopify store from scratch with AI, all from a single product link. The Atlas AI store generator does all of the heavy lifting: AI designed themes, full product pages, real reviews, high quality AI photos, custom colors, and even bundles and upsells. So if you're someone who wants to start dropshipping but doesn't know where to begin, or you just want to save hours of time building a professional store, this app is a game changer. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.